The trial of former UC police officer Ray Tenzing continues today.
That's right. The prosecution will start presenting its case when the first witness takes the stand. And Local 12's Perry Shively's covering it for Good Morning Cincinnati. She's live now with more on what's expected today. Perry?
Well, Sheila, throughout this trial, jurors will hear from officers who arrived on the scene as the shooting was happening. They'll talk about what they saw and what they heard. Now, jurors should have a good idea of what they're talking about because they've now been to the street where the shooting took place. They made a stop in Mount Auburn yesterday just before opening statements. The first witness is expected to take the stand this morning just after jurors arrive at the courthouse around 9 o'clock. Prosecutor Joe Deters will lay out his case, trying to prove that Ray Tenzing, the former UC police officer, went against his police training the day he shot Sam DuBose during an off-campus traffic stop. Now, Deters told jurors that during opening statements yesterday that the shooting was unjustified and the evidence will show Tenzing lied about why it happened. The main piece of evidence is the video from a body camera worn by Tenzing the day of the shooting. His defense attorney, Stu Matthews, says that video will prove Tenzing actually acted in self-defense.
What I was most impressed by was I think the state's theme is unwarranted, intentional, and unjustified. That was something I kind of hung on to. I was also impressed when Mr. Deters kind of went over the statement and a number of key facts he called just flat out lies or falsehoods.
It was almost as if they watched different tapes. You have two very different opening statements. You have one which appears to claim that everything took place in a very small space and in very slow movement, whereas you have another one which seems to indicate that there was driving, and there was driving that was done past another car that was in front. So it's going to be real interesting to see what these videos actually detail and what they show.
And today will likely be spent on the prosecution's case, but we are told that Ray Tenzing plans to testify when the defense gets its turn. Guys, back to you.
Perry, thanks. And Local 12 is live streaming the entire trial through the verdict on local12.com. And of course, you can get updates here on the air and on the Local 12 Facebook and Twitter pages too.